4K video, 60 frames per second on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Three times zoom. Still in 4K, 60 frames per second. You want more 4K? I got more 4K video, 60 frames per second on the freeway. It's a smooth drive right now, not crowded at all. Totally digging that. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Really digging this smartphone. It's freaking fast. The in-display fingerprint reader is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Works better than the OnePlus 6T and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. That's an update, by the way. Alright, that's it for this clip. Yep, we got more 4K video and 60 frames per second. Walking at a steady pace. In this video, I want to test the optical image stabilization. I'm walking at a steady pace right now. We're going to turn around and I'm going to walk a little bit faster. Look, there I am. Pace. All right, now I'm going to do a steady jog. I'm going to run a little bit faster. And a quick stop.